Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix changing number formats on Excel and Google Sheets. This is especially useful when you need to preserve leading zeros in your numbers like phone numbers, Idaho codes, or postal codes that Excel and Google Sheets often try to automatically reformat. Let's start with Excel first. At the top of your spreadsheet, you'll notice a drop-down menu that by default shows the word General. This drop-down controls how Excel interprets and displays the data you enter into cells. Click on this General drop-down menu to reveal all the available format options. From the list that appears, select Text. By setting the format to text before you type anything, you're telling Excel to treat whatever you enter as plain text rather than as a number that needs formatting. This is the key step that prevents Excel from automatically removing those leading zeros. Now that the format is set to text, you can go ahead and start typing your number. If you want your number to begin with a 0, like 01234, Excel will now preserve that 0 at the start instead of dropping it. The text format essentially locks in exactly what you type, character by character, without any automatic adjustments or calculations. Now let's move over to Google Sheets and apply the same fix there. The process is slightly different, but achieves the same result. At the top of your Google Sheets interface, look for an icon labeled 123. This icon represents the number formatting options available in Google Sheets. Click on this 123 icon to open up the formatting menu. From the menu that appears, you'll see several formatting choices. Look for the option that says Plain Text and click on it. Just like in Excel, selecting plain text tells Google Sheets to treat your entry as text rather than as a numerical value that might be subject to automatic formatting changes. This ensures that any leading zeros or special number formats you want to use will be preserved exactly as you type them. With the plain text format now applied, you can start typing your number format. Whether you're entering phone numbers, product codes, or any other number sequence that requires leading zeros, Google Sheets will now keep everything exactly as you've typed it. And that's it. The problem is now fixed on both platforms. You've successfully prevented both Excel and Google Sheets from automatically changing your number formats, allowing you to maintain complete control over how your numerical data appears. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.